Yo, what's up, It's Coach Nick Money, and today's episode we're going to talk about a 1007% runner from Friday, December 9th, 2022, ticker symbol AMAM. Alpha Max, and the company's called Ambrx Biopharma Inc. And we called it in our private Discord for our private Discord members. The stock started out at 41 cents and it shot up to a high of $4.76 in after hours. It ran up over 900% in regular hours of trading, and then actually had a run up from 12 o'clock in the afternoon and ran up 1,000%. And you could take a look at the chart right there. The activity was absolutely astronomical. They had news on breast cancer treatment, which they are involved in, and that was enough of a catalyst to create a massive amount of volume that allowed this stock to go parabolic. Incredible 1,007% run, and it was a 36 million share float, so it's not a tiny float. I mean, it's not huge, but not tiny, but there was just so much attention and so much volume on this stock that it went parabolic and ran to an astronomical amount of 1,007%. So let's talk about this. Let's talk about a couple of things. First of all, we have a private Discord that you can join. The private Discord gives you all of our calls like AMAM. We also called SMMT, which went parabolic. We also called RNAZ, which went parabolic. We called TOPS that went parabolic, and many more. The link is going to be in the description, so you can take a look at that. We also put information out in social media a little bit later on, so you can follow us on Twitter at Coach Nick Money or on TikTok at DBL Nicks. That's Delta Larry Barry S for Sam, Nicks, Nicks. Okay, so let's get into this a little bit more in depth. Let's talk about this. First thing we want to talk about is we notified our private Discord about AMAM on Friday morning at 8:10. We told them that there was a possibility that this stock was going to run. But here's the interesting thing, okay? We followed up by notifying our TikTok followers that the stock was creating a lot of noise pre-market, and we notified TikTok about a half hour later at 8:43 a.m., letting everyone know that this stock was starting to move. Now, once again, we're not stock professionals. We're not financial planners. We're not telling you what to do. We're not telling you to buy. We're not telling you to sell. This is just stuff that we're looking at, and we're just letting people know what we're looking at and what we're thinking about doing. You should be always doing your own due diligence. Do not follow us blindly. We're not giving you advice. This is an entertainment show for your entertainment. Now, let's go on. Here's the interesting thing. We actually saw activity with this stock 3 days prior to its parabolic run, and we notified our private Discord about it on December 6th at 6:01 a.m. Yes, I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning to see what's going on with the market, to get ready and to notify people on our private Discord as to what's going on. And we said, AMA, watch. It's a cancer pharma. There wasn't any news at the time. So we actually notified people in our private Discord 3 days before it actually ran. So again, the link is in the description if you'd like to join our private Discord. If you want to just enjoy the videos on YouTube, you certainly can. But obviously, the early alerts occur on Discord, which is extremely active, and we have an amazing community. And you could see that we get bangers all the time, and we get them very early before most people do. Now, let's move on to the next thing. If, in fact, we had jumped into this stock on December 6th when we first alerted it, we actually could have purchased the stock at below 50 cents, as you can see, and it ultimately ran all the way up to $4.76. Now, where are we at this point? Is this stock still going to go parabolic? Let's take a look at the next chart. The next chart is a 1 year daily chart, and we can see that the stock made a high of $10.42. So if we have enough volume on Monday, in my opinion, there is a very good chance that this stock could continue to go up. It is now at the $4.54 mark. There may be a pullback to cool off, but it appears to me that the stock was significantly shorted and there wasn't much news going on, and now there is positive news of the best breast cancer treatment, and I think that there could potentially be enough eyes on this stock to push the stock further up. And again, within the past year, the stock has actually sold at $10.42. Will this happen Monday? You never know. You never know. Can it happen next week? Absolutely. A lot of it is going to depend on a lot of other variables, but we are certainly going to keep an eye on it, and we are absolutely still bullish on AMAM. We're not giving you advice. We're not telling you to buy this stock. We're not telling you to sell this stock. We're not telling you what to do with the stock. This is for entertainment purposes only, and we're sharing with you what we're doing. And from our perspective, we see this as a great potential opportunity for continuation play the beginning of next week, possibly on Monday, and for day trade opportunities. There were a tremendous amount of halts involved on Friday. Let's see what next week brings. It's Coach Nick Money, and I'm out of here. Peace, baby. Bye-bye.